Lagos State Government.
We said 2 o'clock.
Lagos State Government. Look at what you people are doing to us.
2 o'clock.
They said 2 o'clock. It's not yet 2. They didn't give us notice. They didn't give us anything. And they are here already demolishing.
They said they were going to come.
Nigerians help us. Nigerians help us. Lagos State Government. We have our drainage clearances. We have everything. And the government is still demolishing. This is so unfair. People's life savings. This is not fair. See, everybody's outside. Everybody's. There was no notice, no demolition notice, nothing. Nothing. This is very unfair.